From the miracle on the Hudson to tragedies that changed the course of aviation history. Today, we're looking at some of the most shocking flights ever recorded. These stories of disaster, survival, and incredible skill remind us just how much we depend on the pilots and crews in the cockpit. Let us start with a flight that became a legend, US Airways Flight 1549. Just minutes after taking off from New York, a double bird strike disabled both engines. Captain Sully Sullenberger had seconds to make an impossible choice. Instead of attempting a risky return to the airport, he famously declared, "We're going to be in the Hudson." In one of the most masterful feats of airmanship, he ditched the Airbus A320 on the river. All 155 people on board survived. It wasn't a crash, but a successful water landing that captivated the world. Now, a story of unbelievable survival. In 1972, a plane carrying a rugby team crashed high in the Andes Mountains. Facing freezing temperatures and starvation, the survivors were forced to make unimaginable choices to stay alive. After 72 days stranded in the desolate wilderness, 16 people were finally rescued. Their story is a harrowing testament to the limits of human endurance. But what about when everything goes wrong? Mid-air, Aloha Airlines Flight 243 experienced a catastrophic explosive decompression at 24,000 feet. A huge section of the fuselage ripped off, exposing the cabin to the sky. Miraculously, Captain Robert Schornsteimer managed to land the crippled Boeing 737. Despite the massive damage, only one fatality occurred: a flight attendant who was swept from the plane. This incident led to sweeping changes in aircraft maintenance and inspection programs. Another near miss that defied all odds was British Airways Flight 5390. Two of the cockpit S6 windscreen panels separated from the aircraft. The resulting decompression sucked the captain, Dean Lancaster, partially out of the window. His body was pinned against the outside of the plane at 17,000 feet. The co-pilot, Alastair Atchison, fought to control the plane while crew members desperately held onto the captain's legs. Atchison made a successful emergency landing, and incredibly, Captain Lancaster survived with only minor injuries. These events, both tragic and miraculous, have pushed aviation safety forward, making flying one of the safest ways to travel today. Each incident teaches us valuable lessons. If you found these stories as incredible as I do, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing tales from the skies. Thanks for watching.